Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency called Cardano or ADA. Let you guys know what could be going on with this sucker right here. And is it going to get ready to go? Well, in the previous video, I was talking about Bitcoin, the last one. And there was a little area. Bitcoin was just an area that, it's hard to suss that out. But this is the same thing with Cardano down there, guys. Okay. And with Cardano, these right here, you see 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, that's more than likely what old Cardano is doing right here. Okay. So I'm not a super, just to let you guys know, I don't have any Cardano. I'm not a super fan of Cardano. Cardano is like it's kind of like XRP in a way. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to pump. This definitely can go up and break all-time highs. There's no doubt about that. That's like a 10, 15x, okay? So no big deal there. The thing is that I've noticed there's a pattern in the cryptocurrency market where these folks that made a ton of money in previous smoke shows in Cardano, and Cardano has put on smoke shows before, has done two in the past, and they're expecting a massive one, I guess, again, possibly, kind of like with XRP, where XRP made a massive smoke show, and that was a massive, massive run over there, and they're kind of hoping for it to come again, guys. So I don't like that strategy. I don't like that strategy. He's talking to, there's a couple of young ladies, not young ladies, but ladies at Starbucks, and they get in crypto, and they're kind of smart about it. They're like, yeah, we see red candles and we buy it, and it goes up. But she's like married to Ethereum Classic because she made a lot of money in Ethereum Classic. And I'm not saying you can't do that, ride the waves, but there's other things that come along, guys, and you can find the coins like where Cardano was in the beginning, and you can get into those smoke shows rather than hoping that Cardano does another smoke show again. And you increase your probabilities by doing that, in my opinion. So went off on a little rant there, guys, about that. So no big deal. But here's the thing with Cardano is that it's in a multiple wave sequences to me. I think it's plainly obvious. You can see here's a 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, possibly. You want to see Cardano get above that line area, which is right over here, this area, and get up into there potentially. And potentially that would give you a better confirmation too. And just looking at it over here to a daily chart, guys, looking at Cardano, is that what you want to look for on these waves that come down is like a flat move. Could it be a flat? It's very difficult to get one out of that, in my opinion, but it could be somehow. Like this is you want to look for a 3-3-5. We know this is a 5-wave move over here. There's no doubt about that. So where would the here's a 3-wave move? It just, to me, it just doesn't make sense. This is the diagonal pattern that I'm looking at. It came down here 1, 2, and then a 3, 4, and you can see the 4 when the price territory wave 1, and then boom, it came back down here for a 5, and then it's off. Like I said, this area right here with Cardano, you want to check that out. 45 cents would be great, and it hangs out up into there. If Cardano does a correction, this kind of coin like this goes up, and then it could correct back down that previous 4th wave. Okay, when Bitcoin maybe does a correction or something in that area is what I'd be checking out. Obviously, with Cardano, in this scenario, you're playing it off that low right there, that 24 cents low. Okay, so right here, back down, correct. You want to see this. Wherever it gets up to, you want to see a 3-wave swing back like that, guys. That's what you want to look for. That'd be a good entry. You haven't missed anything in Cardano. Cardano to me is I would let this. I don't have any. I think I said that. I don't have any. I probably won't get any either. Not to say that the setup's bad. I just think there's better, more opportunities, if you will. So anyhow, up, and you want to look for that 3-wave swing back for Cardano, guys. Okay. That's really all you can do. I just wait for the 3-wave swing back. Reason I say that is because of this mess right here could definitely be open for debate. And then this over here, what is it? Is it correcting to swing back down like that? Just don't know yet. Cardano decided to make a mess over here, to finish that off. It does look like it's complete to me. You go to the overall chart. I have a different take on Cardano right here. You know, some people would say this is 1, 2, 1, 2, and Cardano is going to do a massive moonshot over here. Okay. I don't think so. I think more than likely stick to the probabilities, more realistic that it's in some sort of a massive ascending wedge with a 1, 2, 3, 4, and up here for a 5. You can break that areas, guys, is what I would be expecting. Weekly chart right down here has a break in that RSI. So the technicals there look good. There is some weakness behind Cardano too. You check this out. This area for this trend line, it came down, it broke through, it went right through there. That's actually, in a way, it's kind of a good signal, kind of a fifth wave. Fifth wave can't thrust through there and pop back up. So it went right back up into there. So good news for Cardano in that area. Don't want to see this, though. You probably don't want to see Cardano come back up and then swing back down, and it's down in this area. I would not, that would not be a good signal for this, guys, in my opinion. So let's see. Otherwise, just looking at some other signals, I got over the MACD. I mean, everything looks pretty decent for Cardano. It doesn't have bullish divergence down there coming down into that wave on the weekly, which is a little bit of a concern. But it does have exaggerated divergence from that peak right there back down on the 3-day chart. You can see, okay? And you come to a daily chart right here on the Cardano's correction in the RSI. So highest peak right there, September 21. I'm going to put that there, and there's this correction, and it's clearly broken that, okay? In this area with the RSI on the daily, you know, I would not be surprised maybe Cardano comes back up, test right there. If it bounces out of there, you're going to have probably a really, really good signal that Cardano is going to get ready to go, guys, in my opinion. So, I mean, things don't look too bad for Cardano. You know, it still has some proving to do in this area. Like I said, you want to see Cardano probably get up to like 44, 45 cents. And then you probably have confirmation above these two areas in that Cardano is finished with whatever it's going to be doing in here. And the count that I was going to say right here for Cardano, it's very similar to, there's another asset. I think it's GBTC. GBTC is doing something similar. And I think Litecoin's doing something similar. But I would say it's just a massive 1, maybe 2, and here's a 3rd and 4, and then a 5th, making a nice little diagonal. So you put it on the something like that, guys, is what I'd say. Make a nice ascending wedge, just like so. Let me take the wave pattern off, is what I would say with Cardano, guys. Is what I'm planning on until proven differently. It's going to matter how strong the waves are. You know, once you get more data in here like this, so say it's a wave 1, 2, maybe goes up for maybe a 3, 4, 5, and you have a wave, and then you have a correction, then you can take that wave and then start getting fib targets on possibly where it may be going to. And then you might see, okay, it's going to go like for example, it might just go to that area. It could have a throw over, you know, that's not uncommon, kind of like right there a little bit. Could have that. I think there's one even over there. Yeah, it could have definitely have a throw over in that area. It could come short. Typically in these diagonals, you know, you really want to see the 5th wave break that 3rd wave and have a little bit of a throw over. It's not uncommon. Just real quick too. It'll be real quick. And wanted to show you real quick too on Bitcoin is here on the weekly chart. Decided to take it off the candles and hit the trend. And I just found it interesting, guys, that pretty much the trend touched there. You know, you got a touch coming out of the bear market right there, a touch, pretty much touch along that trend. And then this trend right here, they'll touch there, just like so, guys. So on logarithmic, I just found that interesting that it respected this trend if you take out the wicks and you put it on a line chart with Bitcoin. So in my opinion, that's good for the bulls. And of course, the bears will put it on the candles and take it like this and put the whole wick in there. And then they will do this, something like this, maybe kind of like that, and then have, yeah, the $10,000 target, you know. So you can't rule that out, you know. Bitcoin still has some proving to do, guys. So far, so good. I'm still expecting bullishness with Bitcoin. If there's bullishness with Bitcoin, that means there should be some with Cardano, guys. This wave can extend too. It doesn't look like it wants to, but because these look like 4, 5, 4, 5s, but it could extend a little bit. You want to see extend out a little bit, correct, and get up there a little bit more. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.